So guys, when this problem happens, what you have to do to fix this problem is to just use the common fixing process. It's just by tapping on your power button for some while. So when you tap on your power button for some while, you are going to see this pop up. Then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK to restart your device or reboot your device. So when you do this and it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So tap on your phone settings. Then after that, tap on network. Tap on mobile network. Then select the network you're using. After that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced, scroll and tap on preferred network type. Then make sure you select 4G, 3G, 2G, or 2. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back and try to search for app and notification. Just tap on it, and after that, what you have to do next is to wait over here. So tap on see your apps, and now tap over here, which is the search apps, and try to search for Lloyds Bank. So when you find it, tap on full stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on notifications, and also select the show notification. Make sure it's turned on, and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions, which depends on the phone you are using. Tap on the mobile data or the background data and make sure it's turned on. Now go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check for the latest update of this app. So tap on update to get the latest update, and after that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart to restart your device. And I hope by doing this process, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.